Listen podcast and improve your English skill. Hey everyone, welcome back to Coffee Chat. I'm Alex.
And I'm Jamie. Great to have you with us again.
How's your week been, Jamie?
Pretty busy. I started writing my first short story. How about you?
I've been exploring photography. Took some sunset shots at the park.
That sounds beautiful. Did you try any new camera settings?
Yes, I played with long exposures for the first time.
Nice. I need to learn more about that. Maybe you can teach me.
Absolutely. We can dedicate a mini episode to photography tips.
Speaking of episodes, I was thinking about a theme on goal setting.
I like that. We could each share 3 personal goals for the next year.
Perfect. I will bring mine next time.
Mine include improving my Spanish fluency and running a half marathon.
Ambitious. My goals are to finish my novel draft and adopt a healthier diet.
Let's break those down with actionable steps.
Step 1 for me, write 500 words every morning.
And for your diet, meal prep on Sundays.
Exactly. How about you? Spanish practice?
I will use language exchange apps 3 times a week.
And running? Maybe join a local club for accountability.
Great idea. Joining a group keeps motivation high.
Yesterday, I tried a new cafe downtown. They had amazing almond croissants.
Ooh, I love pastries. We should review cafes in a future segment.
Yes, tastes around town could be our foodie corner.
Listeners send us their favorite spots, and we pick one each week.
That engages everyone. I love it.
Let's also add a word of the day segment.
I will pick today's word, resilience.
Nice choice. Resilience means the ability to recover quickly from difficulties.
Exactly. Can you use it in a sentence?
Sure. Her resilience helped her overcome every obstacle.
Great. Listeners, try using resilience in your own sentences.
Switching topics. Any new travel plans?
I'm heading to Nepal next month for trekking.
That's epic. Which trail are you taking?
The Annapurna Circuit. It's about 160 kilometers.
You'll see stunning mountain views and diverse villages.
I can't wait to practice my basic Nepali phrases.
We should do a mini language lesson for our listeners.
Good call. Hello in Nepali is namaste.
And thank you is dhanyavad.
Perfect. Now back to podcast planning. What about guest interviews?
I'd love to talk to a local author about writing routines.
Or a chef to discuss cooking vocabulary?
Both sound amazing. We can alternate episodes.
That gives us variety and keeps listeners excited.
Before we wrap up, any weekend plans?
I'm hosting a board game night with friends.
Fun. Which game are you most excited about?
Ludo is my favorite. It's fun and full of surprises.
That sounds awesome. I might join. Maybe take some fun photos too.
Definitely. We can share them in our next episode notes.
So today, we covered personal goals, travel plans, and some cool new ideas.
We hope you feel inspired to set your own goals and try something new.
And don't forget to send us your favorite cafes and your sentences using resilience.
Plus, try practicing the Nepali words namaste and dhanyavad with friends.
Thanks a lot for tuning in to Coffee Chat.
Join us next week for episode 2, where we will dive deeper into goal setting.
Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and stay curious.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.
Thanks again for listening to Coffee Chat. We hope you enjoyed the episode and learned something new today. If you like this podcast, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. New episodes every week. And remember, keep practicing, stay positive, and never stop learning. See you next time.
Ludo